Yeah. Okay, now come over
Play
here.
with him over here.
Yo, play with
Oh, I already
There's an
have it.
actual code.
I think it's the black one. I think it's the black. I think it's this one.
You will help me capture my point.
Okay.
You will help me capture my point. Oh yeah. Need help capping this point. You're dead. That's good, amen.
Bro, who's playing Tf2?
This is my
Go to
intelligence.
clothing and then go all the way back.
You
And
are
it's
not
a black
this.
varsity jacket.
Yeah. You will help me capture my point. Okay.
Bro, who's playing
Son,
Tf2?
real good. Maybe even the best. Oh yeah. Okay. You will help me capture my
To
point.
explore lake.
Oh yeah.
I'm ready to explore lake.
Need help capping this point.
I think it's the black or varsity jacket. Just saying.
Alright, we are going to do, we're gonna do medic.
Welcome to the Venus once again, face.
Did they tell you?
Was ist los?
I'm sorry, I just want to play my
Was
iPad.
ist los? Schweinhunds. Los! Amazing, Kamerad. Da. Move, schnell. They are weakened. Good work. This is unacceptable. I am prepared to do whatever it takes.
Is that like the rarest backpack in the whole game? No. Or the hardest one to get?
Danke.
Hello. Somebody just Why are you making noise?
Good shooting.
Get out.
Get on the point, Dummkopf.
What does the monster look like?
Demoman is a spy.
There's like 3 of them.
The healing leaves little time for the hurting. Thank you.
Then I probably was
Idiot.
never there.
Get on the point.
Because I've never been in a place where it actually like straight lead 3. Or I think.
Yeah.
God.
Must
Why is he
I
moaning?
defend this point myself? Ugh.
Why are you moaning?
Spy. The heavy is a spy.
Bro. Give me my goof back.
What a bloodbath! Yeah. Danke, my hard-hearted friend. I need help with this point. Defend the point.
I'm gonna go get some. I'm gonna go get some. Okay.
Good to go.
Oh my god!
Standing near the point does nothing. Get on the point, Dummkopf.
Oh damn, brother! No, you need to be big, Fletcher.
Hey, Overwatch. I'm burning.
God,
There's my ball.
I said fight!
I love my ball.
Where's the giant? Where's the
I
giant?
love my
Where's the
ball.
giant? The giant's gone.
All right, yeah, that's a pretty good job. You seeing this? You and me. The best man won, you bomb throwing drunk. The best man won, you bomb throwing drunk. I'm capping over here. Who's with me? Oh!
I'm not a beast.
I got it. Got the ball back. Got the ball back.
Like sugar on my toast. Man, sugar.
Got the ball back.
Kinda young.
Got the ball back.
Like sugar on my toast.
That's a pretty good job.
Everyone in stage 5.
Hey, can I tell you something?
Target the frog.
You seeing this?
You're me a fuck. Yo, bro.
I love my ball.
Booing.
There's a schematic for you. Oh, yes.
Like sugar.
Where's the bomb?
No way of killing. Then stop doing a rampage and
Yeah,
only
there's a
do
spy
like.
over there.
Bro, wait.
This is where you get punished.
Yeah, there's a spy over there.
Can you not kill me?
Here's a schematic for you. Yeah, there's a spy over there. Yeah, there's a spy over there. The best man won, you bomb throwing drunk.
Hold up. Go.
man. Best man,
Oh, I'm getting targeted. Alright, that's the end of Scout for now, okay?
I'm just doing this.
Alright, time to do
yes,
Demo
thank you.
Man.
You have to do something nice to me because I did your dumb dirty work.
Help! Imagine if I hadn't been drunk. Imagine if I hadn't. We did it!
How do I?
Incoming! I'll notify your next of kin. That just sucked! Move it, lads! Bloody hell! Need a dispenser here! Get going!
Guys, I can't see anything.
Get going!
I can't see anything.
Punch away, lasses.
Guys, I can't
What
see
is that?
You're on my team,
I can't see
I
anything.
might have taken
Yes,
a bit
yeah.
too much
Let's have
off.
what's a little.
Your head! Mother of
Guys, yo, what does this do?
Let's have what's a little.
What does this do?
Single one of ya.
What does this do?
Hey, private haircut. I might have taken a bit too much off. Your head. If I was,
I can't see
let that
anything.
be a bloody lesson to you.
Okay, everybody.
Oh, well, little
me.
miss, you are.
Yes.
Go!
Okay.
Oh, you're a wee little miss, you are.
Everybody, up here now. Up
Be
here
a
now.
bloody lesson to you. Go!
Up here, up here.
Go! Go!
Yeah, but she didn't have
I
to.
think you saw that one coming. Incoming! I don't think you saw that one coming.
Help me. Hold on.
It's not a stupid question.
I should have brought a grappler for this.
Teleporter here. Spy! Spy! Need a teleporter here. Spy!
There's a spy! Oh shit! Oh!
Stand on the point, you git! Help!
Alright, that's Demo Man. See you guys on the next one.